Hey, Tuber Stoney coming at you. Well, got my hands in another project. The problem we're having here is I can't seem to, I just tore this off, right? But, let's see if we can, I got the screws out. I can't seem to get these to adjust, so I don't know what the deal is. They're like, if you turn them, it really doesn't change anything. And as soon as I hit the throttle, it's cutting out. And I'm thinking, because I put a dirt bike throttle on it, this is not going all the way down. So, or it's sucking something up, and I don't know if I can even see it, but the tank's a little dirty. But as soon as I started up, it revs really high, and it doesn't like to idle. I don't even think this is the one that goes to it. I think this is the one that went to whatever dirt bike they took off. So I may have to change that. So what I'm gonna do is, this one runs too, but it needs the CDI, which I don't have yet. It's in the mail. So I'm thinking I'm gonna steal this CARB, steal this Kawasaki throttle, right, and see if I can get her to fire up. Oh, and it has a stupid choke. So, here's what I gotta fix. That one runs too, but I'm gonna try to clean this CARB again. I'm thinking I should just take the dirt bike throttle right off, run a new one. I don't really know. I did order, there's a Haynes manual for these, so I got one of those coming, but I'm not really good with carburetors. I take them apart, fix them up, but it seems like maybe something's clogging it for it to rev up like that. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. Like I said, I'm gonna try switching, changing, see what happens, because this is a little messed up. Look at the original tool package. But alright, we'll be back, folks. See what happens. Well, folks, this is the other carburetor off the black thingy over there. I got the original Kawasaki throttle. I don't know what kind of choke this is, but I got the choke now. This CARB is way bigger too. So I'm pretty sure that came off some dirt bike, not even supposed to be on this. But now I got to get all new screws, because these are not user friendly. Somebody, story of my life right here. But and this thing ran, but as soon as you throttled it, it would stall itself. Like, I don't know, I thought maybe something was clogged, but I read up on that throttle that this little plunger wouldn't go all the way down because it was too short. So as soon as you quick snap the throttle, it'd die out. But hopefully we can get her up and running again today and see how it works. I mean, that gas tank is really dirty, but I'm gonna try this first, and if not, I'm gonna have to disassemble and clean the gas tank. But the CARB wasn't too bad. I blew out all the jets, CARB cleaner, and my air compressor. But let's get it back together. I just had to order that CDI box for the black one, $109. Crazy, but yeah, The other one's in kind of better shape, but I like the racks on this. The racks are really cool. And there's the lock out, lock in. To turn one wheel on or have both wheels going for the differential. Brand new tires. Brand new tires. Alright folks, let's get down and get this back assembled and see if I can fire it up. Who knows? I'll be back. Well folks, we got that other carburetor in. Right? I'm gonna get that stupid little lever right there. Ran a new gas line, sealed it off real good. Added a little choke up here. We got the regular Kawasaki throttle, and now let's hear her. See how she listen to her now. Yeah, he did. So yeah, I fixed her up. Using the valve, no smoke. These are fun little machines here. So we got that. I'll show you what I gotta do now to this one. Oh, my little quad runner. Bead on the tires dinked. See if she'll so quiet. Now this one. My carb was way shot. Now I need another carb, another throttle. Listen to her though, boys. Listen to her. And I got this hunk of shit. Probably gonna steal those back tires for that. Don't get me wrong, I like the Honda 200S, but this needs more work than I'm probably willing to deal with. I'm probably gonna strip it down and hard it out. But she does run. This thing right here will fire up first kick. But yeah, I gotta get this one fixed now. Gears and everything work. If anybody has any parts to these, let me know. I need a carburetor. I need a throttle. I need a brake cable. I've been trying to find parts, but they're kind of hard. I hate to part this one out because everything's good. Motor's good. Everything's good. Just needs a carb and a throttle because I stole it. CDI's on its way. Alright folks, until next time, Stony out. Oh yeah, and I still got my VR. First kick every time. Alright folks, until next time, Stony out. You see I got rid of a whole bunch of stuff. I got this one, that one, that one, that one, and the one over there. And a little green machine, China quad. Alright folks, I'm gonna kill this. Until next time. Maybe I'll do a video, a quick little add-on here of this thing moving, running. Pretty nice machine. Tony, out. Alright folks, we'll do a couple laps around and show you this thing works. Brand new tires. I bought these. I got a pair of these for 75 bucks. So, headlight work. Clean out the back gas. So, there we go. There it is, folks. My 200C Kawasaki. Like a tank. Like I said, it has differential mode. So if you turn this thing right there, you can take corners a lot better. There it is. Until next time, Tony out.